Hello again everybody, and welcome to episode 25 of the big rebuild. And I've only just this afternoon uploaded episode 24 when I asked for some suggestions for the name of my little town, and I've already had a few suggestions, so thank you all very much for that. I shan't be choosing just yet. I'll wait a little bit longer. But in the meantime, I'll show you what I've got down here. I've cut the card to the shapes of all the pavement areas, and now I'm going to paint them and then stick them down and then put the buildings on the top. And there's the clock tower on the roundabout outside the town hall. That's all the pavement areas down, and I've marked the paving slabs on, and each line has been scored, so it takes ages. And if you ever want to inflict a terrible punishment on somebody, get them to do that job. Now I'm going to give those areas a wash with a diluted black wash, acrylic. I'm doing it in situ because it is card and I've stuck it down. I didn't want it to warp. After the black wash, I gave it another one with white over the top while the black was still wet. And I think I'm getting what I wanted. Along here I want to put some poplar trees, and like that there's a row of poplar trees, and to make them I'm trying something I haven't tried before. I'm using pampas grass. And what I've done, I've got some very, very fine wire here, which I saved when I stripped the cable, and I'm binding that round a few of the feathers of the pampas grass, and just binding it down like that, and then cut the end off with a pair of scissors like that, and then using hairspray and some of this stuff, I'm creating a tree. So let's see how this one works out. This is just a leaf scatter, and I think it's about the right colour for a poplar tree. There we are. Now I'm going to dip the trunks into this dark brown timber care, and then lay them out there to dry. There we are. Let's see what they look like when it's dry. Well, that's where the little town's going to go, and there it is in place, complete with the trees, a few people and a few cars. The town's actually going to be a little bit bigger than that, because from that level crossing there, round here, there'll be the other part of the town with the railway station, and then in that brown patch there, there's going to be a park and a Zen garden. And I've got my little Buddha to go in the Zen garden, and also a little bridge to go over the water that's going to be there as well. So I'm well pleased with that. But before I finish this video, I'd like to thank everybody that came up with names or name suggestions for my little town here. And I have chosen now, because I wanted a Welsh name, and I've gone for Trefachan, which means small town. And it was suggested by Algie, my friend and subscriber, who's building himself a biplane. Not a toy one that he can actually ride in, and it's brilliant. Anyway, thank you very much, Algie, and thank you all again for the suggestions that you made. Now I'm going to get on with the Zen garden and then the rest of the town. So for this time, bye bye, and thanks very much for watching.